Hey guys, I want to show you how I would like you to complete your homeschool connection number 3 that I'm calling selfies and traits. You are trying to answer this question: what traits do you share with your family? And if you want to include friends, great. You actually have traits in common with your pets. You might not think about that, but you do. I mean, bonus points for someone who can find a trait you have in common with your household plants. Maybe an ant you find on the ground. Yeah, maybe even a famous person. Go ahead and stick a famous person in here, I guess, if you really need to. I want you to use your Chromebook to take selfies with members of your family, friends, even pets, and even plants or other things like I've mentioned. And then you're going to describe on the other half of this table which traits you have that are similar, which traits you have that are different. So you're thinking a lot about traits. So here's how this is going to work. Here's an example. I put a picture of myself in here. I just took this picture with my niece and my son. This is my niece Max. My niece is Liliana. My son is Maximo. I just kind of described this here. If you want, you could zoom in on a part. You can be like just the ear. I could have said taken a picture of my ear or something if I wanted to. Um, Over here, I wrote Liliana and Mr. Murphy both have blue eyes and light brown hair. That's true. And she's actually my niece. She's my sister's daughter. But Maximo, my own son, doesn't look as much like me. He looks more like his mom. He's got dark brown hair and dark brown eyes. Um, all of us speak English, though. And only I have a beard and only I am bald. You just can't tell because I'm wearing a hat today. Um, so in order to take a picture, go ahead and click where you want. Click on here. Go up to, and I took this away, so make it bigger for you. So you're going to click on Insert, Image, Camera, and it's going to open up your camera. There it is. And I'm going to go ahead and take a picture. And if you want, again, you can take a picture of just like your ear, and then you're going to click the little yellow camera. And then you can insert your picture. Oh, that's the same picture. Why did that happen? I don't know. Let's try it again, shall we, guys? Camera. Oh, I didn't click on the ear. So now I go. Click on the ear, then click insert. There's a picture of Mr. Murphy's ear, and I can type in here. Uh, uh, this is a picture of my ear. You weren't going to take a picture of just your own ear, so maybe you put a picture of your ear, and then right next to it, you put a picture of somebody else's ear. If you want to crop a picture, if you don't know how, I right-click. On a Chromebook, you can't right-click. You hold Alt and then click, and it brings up all this. And I click on crop image, and it brings up these lines. And now I can actually, like, I only want to focus on the ear, so I'm going to take a corner and I'm going to drag the black part, and I'm just going to close the picture down onto my ear. Boom. And then maybe I take a picture of my sister's ear or my mom's ear or my uncle's ear, and I put it next to mine, and I can say, we have the same ear shape, but my uncle's ear is hairier. Ha ha ha. I don't know if that's true if your uncle has a hairy ear. If not, I apologize to your uncle. But that would require you to take 2 pictures, which would also work. And actually, if you forgot how to do that, the instructions are here. This is how to take a selfie in Google Docs. You go to Insert. So then it says Image. Okay, Image. And then Camera. Okay, Camera. And it loads it again. Okay, so I want you guys to work on this. I'll give you all week to do it. So it's due Friday. But I want you to take 5 pictures of somebody at home. Again, get creative. Get creative in what counts as a trait. I'm not talking about just facial features. That's easy. That's why I chose it as an example. What about like how many arms you have? Maybe it's like you have hair and so does your cat. Things like this. So take pictures. Think about other living things, what traits are shared with them, not just within humans if you want. Stick them in here. Turn this in by Friday. That's it. Thank you guys.